This video is on direct proportion and examples of it using some questions. Suppose we have this question. This is a question. 108 identical books have a mass of 30 kg. Find the mass of 150 such books. So we have the mass of 108 books, which is 30 kg. Now what if we increase the number of books? What will be the mass of it? Increased or decreased? Increase, right? So this is direct proportional. When one quantity increases, the other increases within it. Over here, when the number of books increase, the mass also increases. This means that the books are directly proportional to its mass. The relation with the books and the mass is that the books is directly proportional to the mass. We write it as this. This is the sign of proportionality. So let the books be B and the mass of the books be M. Let's solve the question. The B is the books, 108. Okay. And now the mass of it is 30. Now the mass of 150 such books, we're gonna write 150 and by the mass, which is M. So we write it as M. We're gonna find the value of M. Let's cross multiply 108 with M and 150 with 30. So 108 M and then is equal to 150 times 30 equal to 4500. Now we divide both of the sides by 108 so it can be removed from the variable M. So by dividing 108 by both of the sides, we get M is equal to 4500 by 108. So now we simply divide the 4500 by 108 and the answer we get is 41 whole 2 by 3. We can also write it in decimal form and in the mixed number also. I'm writing it in the mixed number form. And the second part of the question asks us to find the number of such books that have a mass of 20 kg. We simply use the same equation. This one equation, okay? So over here we write the books, number of books, which we have to find. So we write B and the mass is 20. So again we cross multiply 30 and B, okay, equals 108 times 20 equal to 2160. Now we divide both of the sides with 30, okay, and this one too, because this is 30, so that's why. So then we get B is equal to 2160 by 30. When we divide 2160 by 30, we get the answer as 72. The answer for this second part is 72. So if the mass is 20 kg, so the number of books will be 72. So now we move on to a little different question, but the concept is same. If x is directly proportional to y and x is equal to 4.5 and y is equal to 3, find an equation connecting x and y. This is what we're going to do in the first part. So we all know that x is directly proportional to y. So we can also write this as x is equal to ky in equation form, where k is the constant. If we find the constant, then we'll be able to find the equation connecting x and y. So x is 4.5 and y is 3. So we put the values of x and y in the equation. X is equal to ky, 3 and then k. So that's really simple. Both of the sides will be divided by 3. This is 2, 3 and this is also 3 because we have to remove this 3 with the variable k. so that we can find the value of k, which is constant value. Okay, so then we get k is equal to 4.5 by 3. Okay, so 3 times 1.5 is equal to 4.5. So the value of k is 1.5. Now you can easily find the equation connecting x and y. So the equation is x is equal to 1.5 y. You could have used this method in the previous question, which we did right here, this one. But for these type of questions, this method, the method we did, is more appropriate. But this one is also straightforward. It's your choice whether you want to do this one or that one. Both are the same. Like from both you can get the same answers. Now the second part asks us to find the value of x when the value of y is 6. We just have to put the value of x. Now we have to find the value of x when y is equal to 6. We have the equation, we have to put the value of y, which is 6, in this equation and then find the value of x. So x we have to find equals to 1.5 into 6. So by multiplying 1.5 with 6 we get 9. The value of x is 9. Now we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 12. So the value of x is 12. We write 12 and then equals 1.5, and then the value of y, which is not given, so we are just going to write y over here. Now we divide both of the sides by 1.5, so by that we get y is equal to 12 by 1.5. Now the answer we get is 8. 12 divided by 1.5 is 8. So you've done this question. If you have any queries regarding this topic, please let us know in the comment section.